Have you ever wondered what keeps the world running besides Mondays? Chances are, it's coffee. This magical drink powers early mornings, fuels all-nighters, and gives countless people that motivational spark to conquer the day. But what if I told you there's a whole lot more to coffee than just a caffeine buzz? Today, we're diving into 7 jaw-dropping facts about coffee that will blow your mind, plus a bonus sweet coffee treat you'll want to make right away. So grab your mug, settle in, and get ready to become a coffee connoisseur. Let's kick things off with a fact that'll perk your ears up. Coffee has the power to give your brain a short-term boost. Here's the short version of the science. When you drink coffee, caffeine and glucose team up to energize different parts of your brain. This triggers the release of adrenaline, giving you sharper focus and helping you power through tasks. And yes, it's true that caffeine can help you stay more alert after lunch or during long study sessions. But before you start chugging espressos on an empty stomach, beware. That can have the opposite effect and lead to jitters or a crash. Remember, moderation is key, and so is a good snack alongside your cup of joe. This next fact might sound scary, but there's a helpful side to it too. Coffee can give your blood pressure a temporary boost. If you already struggle with high blood pressure, talk to your doctor about whether you should scale back. On the flip side, if you have low blood pressure, a small cup of coffee might help you feel more stable. So yes, coffee can be both a friend and a foe to your blood pressure. As always, the healthiest approach is to keep track of how your body reacts and consult a pro if you're unsure. We often rely on coffee for an energy kick, but did you know it may strengthen your immune system as well? Studies show coffee is packed with antioxidants and other compounds that could help your body fend off illness. Some research even suggests coffee drinkers tend to have a lower risk of certain diseases thanks to these beneficial antioxidants. But remember, not all coffee is created equal. Freshly ground coffee is your best bet for maximum nutrients. Instant coffee typically comes with more additives and fewer antioxidants. Ever reached for a cup of coffee when your head starts pounding? Surprisingly, caffeine can ease headaches and migraines. Caffeine is a common ingredient in many over-the-counter pain relievers. It can boost the effectiveness of pain medications by as much as 40%. So, if your head won't stop throbbing, you might find that sipping a warm cup of coffee, in moderation, gives you the relief you need. Just be sure not to go overboard, or you might end up with rebound headaches instead. Craving a little mood boost? You're not alone. Coffee has a natural knack for helping us de-stress. Thanks to the release of dopamine and serotonin, coffee can leave you feeling happier and more relaxed. Some studies even indicate that coffee drinkers have a reduced risk of depression. Interestingly, tea or chocolate's caffeine doesn't have the same mood-lifting prowess as coffee's caffeine. Something extra special is brewing in those roasted beans. Next up, memory magic. The stimulants and neurotransmitters in coffee can sharpen your short-term recall. That's where new information first lands before, hopefully, converting to long-term memory. Coffee's pick-me-up effect can improve your focus and help you soak up new material. Of course, it's not a magic wand for everything you've ever learned, but it can certainly help your brain get the job done during important study or work sessions. Here's a fact coffee lovers can happily celebrate. Drinking coffee might help you manage your weight. Caffeine can temporarily tamp down your appetite and encourage minimal calorie burn. Coffee also boosts the hormone leptin, which helps prevent your body from storing unnecessary fat. Combine that with regular exercise, and you might find the scale tipping in your favor. Just go easy on those sugary syrups, whipped cream mountains, and over-the-top toppings. Now for the grand finale. A crazy, simple coffee concoction you can whip up for a refreshing pick-me-up on a hot day. Or any day, really. Here's how. Brew your favorite coffee. Make it strong, mild, whatever you love best. Then let it cool. Fill an ice cube tray. Pour the cooled coffee into the tray. Pop it in the freezer and let those cubes set. Build your coffee treat. When they're frozen solid, drop the coffee ice cubes into a glass of fresh cold milk. Dairy milk, almond milk, oat milk, your call. Sip and savor. As the cubes melt, the flavor intensifies. You get a sweet, creamy blend without watering down your coffee. And there you have it, a chilled pick-me-up that's perfect for sunny afternoons, or when you just want a fun alternative to your usual routine. And there you have it, coffee lovers, 7 fascinating facts that prove coffee is more than just a morning must-have. Whether it's a brain boost, a mood lifter, or an immune supporter, coffee does so much more than keep us awake. Enjoyed these facts? Don't forget to show your fellow coffee aficionados some love. Share this video, leave a like, and drop a comment on your favorite coffee fact. And if you try out our coffee cube recipe, let us know how it turned out. Thanks for watching, stay caffeinated, and we'll see you in the next one.